Hey guys, this is part 3 of the place value practice test questions and answers. This is 11 through 15. Number 11 is very similar to problem number 5. So we'll just go through this real quickly. We had 1200s. Five tens, and 18 ones. Again, if we start with our smallest place value, which is ones, we see that we have 18 ones. Well, I know that it takes 10 ones, and there's 10 ones right there, one group of 10 ones, would make another 10. So now this 10 ones here makes another 1 10, so now we have 6 tens. So now we are left with 8 ones and 6 tens. And 6 tens, we don't have enough tens to make 100, but as I go to the hundreds, I see that I have 12 hundreds, and I know that 10 hundreds makes 1,000. So here is 10 hundreds. This would make 1,000, 1,000, and I'm going to abbreviate that so we can fit it in here. So that makes 1,000, and that leaves 2 hundreds. So now I have all my place values in the fewest pieces possible. So I have 1,268. So for question 11, you should have gotten 1,268. Number 12, it says that if you add 2 tens to the number 72. Well, again, it's getting you to focus on the place value. It said that it's going to add 2 tens. So this is the place value that we're going to focus on. So if I'm adding 2 to the tens, there's my tens place. So if I add 2 tens to there, I end up with 9 tens, but my ones did not change. So that would be 92. Or if you want to get the value of the 2 tens, that's 20. And 20 plus 72 is 92. Okay. Number 13. Antonio showed several ways of making 47 on the base 10 board. Some of his work was erased, filling the missing pieces on his base 10 board. Well, if you look on the one side, you see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right here we can count up. There's 10, 20. So right here we have 27. So in our tens, we're going to need enough tens that if we add to our ones would equal 47. Well, I know that 47 is 2 more tens than 27. So therefore, I would need to put 2 skinnies or 2 tens in the tens place. Number 14, what is the value of the underlined digit in the number 2,385,299? So again, that's a large number. Instead of trying to look at them all at once, focus on one place value at a time. Okay, so here we have the ones, the tens, the hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s. So we see that that's the underlined digit. So this is in the 10,000s place. And don't forget our clue with that. If you couldn't figure that out and you didn't memorize those, remember our tip to figure out the place value is put a 1 under the place value that you're interested in, and then zeros for the rest of the digits that follow it. And as you can see, the 8 is in the 10,000s. So we're going to count 8 10,000s, which would be 80,000. Okay. Number 15, Number 15, in which number does the underlined 5 represent 50,000? Okay, so if you look through these, 50,000, if we wrote 50,000 out, okay, we can see from the way we write 50,000 that this has to be in the 10,000s place. So if we look through each of these numbers, 250,000, 633. So if we look, the 5 is underlined here. So again, we go by our place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So if we have 5 10,000s, this would equal 50,000. So the first choice there is the correct one. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you bring those tomorrow. Thanks and have a good evening.